And then we asked her, when you think about how much you're willing to spend, what factors do you consider? The most important thing here is retail value. So she wants to make sure that what she's paying, she's going to get at least that back in the box, if not more. Free shipping is also very important. That's key. And then I would consider those other items as kind of like, once you tackle making sure you have that retail value and free shipping down, adding a unique and useful type of concept will just give you a little more advantage in the space. And then saving your subscriber time, giving her additional content, those are nice bonus things, but they aren't the main thing that's driving her to subscribe. Then we talked to her about what are the prices she's paying for boxes. So for her first box, she's getting an average cost for her first box around $18. And when you compare that to her current favorite box, she's spending over $40. So it's really interesting to see that kind of like I call it the gateway box, the thing that gets her into subscribing. She's looking for a lower price point box. If you're at a higher price point, instead of trying to go after that consumer that's new to subscriptions, it might make more sense for you to partner with a lower price point subscription that isn't a direct competitor, get some coupon cards in their box, because that consumer's already bought into the subscription model. They get it, they love it, and this would be a great way to introduce them to your box. This is another piece of information we thought was pretty cool. So of all the people we polled, again, thousands of subscribers who love subscription boxes, 80% of them are subscribed to 2 or more subscription boxes in the exact same category. So the idea that if she's subscribing to one $10 beauty box, she doesn't need another one just simply isn't true.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
For just $9 a month or $99 a year,
you'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SUBTA Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at SUBTA.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SUBTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at SUBTA.com.